If you're seeing the Framer message that says something went wrong while publishing, don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot the Framer publishing error step by step so you can get your site live again without guessing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Framer fixes and web design tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Framer. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that the project you want to publish is fully loaded. Sometimes the publishing issue is temporary and the fastest fix is simply trying again. So once your project is open, click Publish one more time and wait a few seconds. Give Framer a moment to process the request because sometimes the error appears from a brief connection issue or a background sync problem. If the error still shows up, the next step is to refresh the editor. On Windows, press Ctrl Shift R. This forces a hard refresh, which is more powerful than a normal reload because it clears out cached editor data and forces Framer to load a fresh version of the page. If you're on a Mac, you can use the equivalent browser shortcut for a hard refresh. After refreshing, go back and try publishing again. Now, if Framer is still giving you the same message, check for any red errors in the editor. These red warnings or errors can prevent a project from publishing correctly. Look carefully through your pages, components, assets, and any custom code sections. If you see a red error, fix it before trying to publish again. Even a small issue in a component or code block can block the entire publish process, so this part is really important. Once you've corrected any visible errors, try the publish button again. In many cases, that's all it takes. The editor refresh, combined with fixing the red errors, usually resolves the problem and lets Framer complete the publish successfully. If you're still having trouble after that, take a moment to make sure the project is saved properly and that there aren't any incomplete changes waiting to sync. Sometimes waiting a few seconds before republishing helps as well, especially if Framer is still processing edits in the background. The key is to go step by step, not rush, and make sure the editor is clean before you try again. So to recap, open your project in Framer, click Publish again and wait a few seconds, refresh the editor with Ctrl Shift R, and then check for any red errors and fix them. These simple steps solve the publishing issue for a lot of users and they can save you a ton of time. If this video helped you fix the Framer publishing error, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and I'll keep making more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.